Here is an example of one motor controlled by PLC via relay and on/off switch. Once the switch is activated, the motor will run. To configure and program this application, it is required an engineering station, laptop, or PC, with pre-installed software which is called Engineering Software Tool. Hello, I'm Tom, your virtual instructor. Stay with me until the end of this video, and you will get introduced with TIA Portal engineering software. Here is explained engineering products for PLC programming fail-safe PLCs, configuring visualization, and parameterizing drives or frequency converters. So let's check it out. Engineering software tool for configuration and programming PLCs is called SIMATIC Step 7. This software shall be installed at the engineering station, and with this is possible to set up hardware configuration and create PLC software application according to requirement. The configuration and PLC software shall be loaded to the PLC. There are different controllers that are mostly used in applications. S7 1200 controller, S7 1500, S7 300, S7 400. It is sorted according to controller performance. Depending on the requirement and complexity of the application, appropriate controllers shall be selected. There are two variants of SIMATIC Step 7 engineering tool. Basic, which is used for programming and configuration of controller S7 1200. Since SIMATIC Step 7 Professional is used for other controllers including S7 1200. For simple applications it is enough to use the S7 1200 controller, and for configuring and programming it, SIMATIC Step 7 Basic is sufficient. SIMATIC Step 7 Basic supports ladder programming language, function block diagram and structured control language. Since SIMATIC Step 7 Professional, in addition to this support also structured text list and graph programming language used for sequences. Before we continue, if you like this video, click the like button down below, subscribe and bell. If there is used safety equipment to connect with PLC I/O modules, then I/O modules shall be safety as well. Usually those modules are marked with yellow color and have the prefix F. When safety modules are used, then PLC shall support safety functionality as well, thus PLC shall be selected accordingly. To configure safety equipment and do safety PLC software, a safety optional package within Step 7 shall be installed at the engineering station. For visualization can be used HMI panels or PC-based systems, which are connected to the PLC via Profinet protocol. Through the Profinet protocol, HMI devices exchange commands and status with PLC. Thus, instead of a hardware switch, it is possible to create a virtual switch at the HMI panel. In the shown example, the command switch at the HMI panel can be used in the same way as the hardware switch to start and stop the motor. Also, the HMI panel is used to present to the operator many status information and measurements including trends and alarm lists. For example, the temperature of the motor is measured by probe, then transferred to the analog input module of the CPU. The CPU will process this signal, scale it in appropriate range and present it at the HMI panel. In order to configure visualization, it uses engineering software installed at the engineering station which is called WinCC. There are several HMI panels and PC systems that are often used, such as basic panels, comfort panels, PC single stations, SCADA systems. It is sorted based on the complexity and performance. According to this, there are various software versions like WinCC Basic, which is used to configure basic HMI panels. WinCC Comfort is able to configure basic and comfort panels, since SIMATIC WinCC Advanced is used to configure HMI panels and PC single stations. SIMATIC WinCC Professional is used to configure and program HMI panels, PC single systems and SCADA systems as well. Finally, sometimes an application requires a motor run with variable speeds. Thus, variable frequency converters are needed, and these devices are called Synamics drives. As it is shown in the example, the drive communicates with PLC via Profinet protocol, so it gets commands and sends statuses. Beside the command for motor start, there is a needed speed set point. Engineering software tool for configuration and parameterizing of drive shall be installed at the engineering station. Configuration and parameterizing is done at the engineering tool and load parameters to the device. Engineering tool for configuration and parameterizing drives is called Start Drive. Finally, we can conclude. Totally Integrated Automation Portal, or shorter TIA Portal, is engineering software tool which unifies most important engineering products such as SIMATIC Step 7 used for PLC programming, SIMATIC Safety used for programming fail-safe PLCs, SIMATIC HMI used for configuring and programming visualization, Start Drive for parameterizing frequency converters or drives. The latest softwares can be downloaded from the Siemens website. Find download link below under video description. Software can run without license for 30 days, which is a trial period. Before download and installation, system requirements shall be checked first. That was it for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the like button down below, subscribe and bell. Check also the other videos. See you next time, bye.